Okay, following on from the previous video, in this video I'm going to talk about units for area. So units are what we use to measure area. Okay, I mentioned in the last video that area has two dimensions, like a left and right dimension and an up and down dimension. So the simplest units that we use for area are really similar to length. Remember that we measured length in centimeters or millimeters. Sometimes, and you might have seen this before as well, we measured in meters as well. So in this example, I'm going to measure this square and I see that it is 3.5 and by 4. So I'll use orange. 3.5, 4. And to give the area of this shape, I'm just going to multiply these two numbers together. I'll multiply these in my 3.5 times by 4 equals, I'm pretty sure it's 14. And then my unit, because I measured in centimeters, I'm going to write centimeters, but because there were centimeters in one direction and the other direction, these are centimeters squared. So the important thing to note here is that if we have a unit with this notation in it, like squared, then that is a unit for area because it's got two dimensions. So this 2 indicates that it is the amount of space that something takes up. So that's similar. If I see something like 10 meters squared or 5.5, I'm just making these numbers up, millimeters squared. This square tells us that that is a representation of some area, how much space is being taken up.